everyone, welcome you all. This is our next session of class 7 mathematics. In this session we are going to discuss about exercise 2.1. Let me start the exercise 2.1. Here is the first question, subdivision 1. The question is 2 minus 3 by 5. 2 is a whole number, 3 by 5 is a fraction. We have to convert the whole number into fraction. Clear? So solution. How we can convert the whole number into fraction? If we divide any number by 1, we will get the same number, right? The number won't change. So 2 can be written as 2 by 1. 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. Now both are in fraction. Yes, 2 by 1 is a fraction minus 3 by 5 is another fraction, right? So if it is a fraction, we have to check whether the fraction is like or unlike fraction. If it is a like fraction, we can normally do the subtraction. But here it is a like fraction. The denominators are different, right? 1 and 5. So we have to take the LCM of 1 and 5. Take the LCM of 1 and 5. So what is the LCM of 1 and 5? 5 is the LCM, right? We know that. The LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. Take the first fraction. Why we are taking the first fraction? We have to change the denominator as LCM. What is the LCM? 5. We have to change the denominator into 5. So the fraction is 2 by 1. So which number is possible to get the LCM as 5 as denominator there? If we multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. Equal to 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 10 divided by 1 into 5, 5. Now for the fraction 2 by 1, we get the denominator as 5, which is same as LCM. Then take the next fraction 3 by 5. For 3 by 5, already it is in the form of LCM, right? Already it is same as LCM. So for that we can normally multiply by 1, both numerator and denominator. We get the same number 3 by 5. Is it right? Then we can do now both the fractions are like fraction. We can do the subtraction. What's the fraction? 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. For 2 by 1, what is the fraction? 10 by 5. 10 by 5 minus, for 3 by 5, the fraction is 3 by 5. Both are in like fraction. Is it right? We can write the denominator 5 there. Write 10 minus 3. What is 10 minus 3? 7. 7 divided by 5. Is it right? Here the fraction is an improper. We have to convert into what? Mixed fraction. So for that, what is the procedure? Normally do the division. 7 divided by 5. What is 7 divided by 5? 1, 2 by 5. 1 is what? Quotient. 2 is remainder and divisor. Quotient plus remainder divided by divisor is the mixed fraction. The mixed fraction of 7 by 5 is 1, 2 by 5. Here is the next subdivision. Subdivision 5. The question is 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Now all the fractions are unlike fraction, right? We have to change the unlike fraction into like fraction. For that, what is the procedure? Take the LCM of 10, 5 and 2. Yes, the fractions are 7 by 10 is a fraction, 2 by 5 is a fraction, 3 by 2. All these fractions are unlike fraction. Change into like fraction. For that, we are going to take the LCM. What is the LCM? What is the LCM of 10, 5 and 2? The LCM of 10, 5 and 2 is what? 10. Okay. Take the first fraction. What is the fraction? 7 by 10. It is already in the form of same as LCM. For that, normally we can multiply both numerator and denominator by 1. We get it as 7 by 10. Then take the next fraction 2 by 5. Okay. So 2 by 5. We have to get the LCM. We have to change the LCM into 10. What is the procedure? Which number is possible to make the LCM as 10 here? Multiply by 2 both numerator and denominator. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 divided by 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Clear? Then take the next fraction, 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Same procedure. Which number is possible to get the LCM same as 10 here? Multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. We get the 10. 3 into 3 5s are 15. 15 divided by 2 into 5, 10. Clear? Then the fractions are 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. For the fraction 7 by 10, what is the fraction? 7 by 10. 7 by 10 plus for the fraction 2 by 5, what is the fraction? 4 by 10. 4 by 10 plus for 3 by 2, the fraction is 15 by 10. 15 by 10. Now, all the denominators are same. It is a like fraction. If it is a like fraction, write the denominator there. What is the denominator? 10. What is the number? 10. So, add 7 plus 4 plus 15. What is 7 plus 4 plus 15? 7 plus 4 plus 15 is equal to 26. 26 divided by 10. It is an improper fraction. Change into mixed fraction or convert into mixed fraction. Divide 26 divided by 10. The mixed fraction is 2, 6 by 10. Correct? The mixed fraction is 2, 6 by 10. Clear? Here is subdivision 7. The question is 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. Both are in mixed fraction, right? Convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. How we can convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction? Yes. 2 into 8. How we can convert 8 1 by 2? 2 into 8. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 17 divided by 2. Yes. 17 divided by 2 minus 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 5, 29. 29 divided by 8. Clear? Now we change mixed fraction into improper fraction. How you get 17 by 2? 2 into 8, 16. 16 plus 1, 17 divided by 2. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 5, 29 divided by 8. Now both the fraction are like or unlike fraction? Unlike fraction. Why? Because the denominators are different. For that, we can take LCM here. Okay? Take the LCM of 2 and 8. What is the LCM of 2 and 8? 8 is the LCM. Yes. We have to change the denominator same as LCM. Take the first fraction, 7 divided by 2. So, which number will be possible to get the denominator as 8 there? If you multiply 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8, right? So, multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. 17 into 4 is equal to what? 68. 68 divided by 2 4s are 8. Then take the next fraction, 29 by 8. For 29 by 8, already it is in the form of LCM. It is 8. So, we can multiply both numerator and denominator by 1. We will get the same number, same fraction, 29 by 8. Okay, what are the fractions we have? 17 by 2 minus 29 by 8. Okay, what is 17 by 2? What is 17 by 2? The fraction for 17 by 2, the fraction is 68 by 8. 68 divided by 8 minus, what is 29 by 8? It is 29 by 8. 29 by 8. Now, both the fractions are what? Like fraction. Next, we can write the LCM 8 there. 68 minus 29. What is 68 minus 29? Which is equal to 39. Right? 39 divided by 8. Clear? Now, 39 by 8 is a improper fraction. Change into mixed fraction. Divide 39 by 8. 39 by 8 is 4, 7 by 8. Quotient plus remainder divided by divisor. Here is the second question. Arrange 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 21 in descending order. Correct? We are going to write these fractions in descending order. Shall we write these numbers or these fractions in descending order? Is it possible now? No, it is not possible because all the denominators are different. If all the denominators are different, then this is what fraction? Like or unlike fraction? Unlike fraction. If it is unlike fraction, we cannot write in descending order. For that, we can convert or change into like fraction. So for that, what is the procedure? So what is the question here? Solution. What's the question here? 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 21. So these are the fractions. For the fractions where we have to write in descending order. It is not possible because it is an unlike fraction. For that, convert into like fraction, we can take the LCM. What is the LCM of 9, 3 and 21? So what is the LCM of 9, 3 and 21? The LCM is, what is the LCM? The LCM is 63. Now the LCM is 63. We can change one by one. Take the first fraction. What is the fraction? 2 by 9. So which number is possible to get the LCM here? 9 into 7. 9 sevens are 63. Right? 2 sevens are 14. 14 divided by 9 sevens are 63. Now we get the fraction, first fraction as the LCM, same as LCM. Then take the next fraction. What is the fraction? 2 by 3. So 2 into which number we will get? 63 there. 3 into which number we will get 63 there? 3 into 21. If you multiply both numerator and denominator by 21, we will get the denominator same as LCM. So 2 into 21 is equal to 42. 42 divided by 63. Yes. Then take the next fraction. What is the fraction? 8 by 21. So which number we will multiply to get 63 there? 21 into 3. 8 3s are 24. 24 divided by 63. Is it right? Then what's the number? 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 8 by 21. For 2 by 9, what is the fraction? 14 by 63. Then for 2 by 3, what is the fraction? 42 by 63. For 8 by 21, what is the fraction? 24 by 63. So now this is what? Like fraction. We can easily find out which number is greater. Here 14, 42 and 24. Which is first one? 42 is greater than other two numbers. So 42 by 63 is greater, right? Then which number is the second number greater? 24 is greater, right? So 24 divided by 63. At last we can write 14 divided by 63. Now 42, 24 and 14. Which is greater? 42 is greater than 24. Then 24 is greater than 14. Right? So this is the descending order for the given fraction. So the fraction for the fraction 42 by 63. 42 by 63, the fraction is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is greater. Then for 24, 24 by 63, 8 by 21. 8 by 21 is greater than, at last, 2 by 9. This is the descending order for the given fractions.